Hi, this is Jay for Simply Maya, and welcome to this character modeling tutorial. This tutorial is basically for the more advanced user of Maya. What we're going to be doing is using scan data, as we have here in this character, and we're going to be producing a lower resolution mesh like the one here next to it, which is this one, and then onwards from that we will be producing a more higher res mesh as well. This is going to enable you to use these methods for your own animations or even just renderings if need be, and also help you understand the sort of necessary things that you would need to know if you were to work in visual effects or television modeling pipeline, and give you a basic sort of insight of what we do in the industry in order to create digital characters. But what I'm going to do is go through the process of how to build this clean mesh over the top of this scan data and then produce this mesh from that, and also what's not shown here as well is how to produce an animation version in the process as well. Also, what we'll be doing is covering various aspects and more advanced methods in order to create new characters from the characters that you see in front of you. So if this floats your boat, please do feel free to jump in to the next 13 episodes and we'll go through it with you. Thanks for watching.